Hi everyone. These sums from the chapter Probability exercise 13.1 first section. Complete the following statements. First one, probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E. P of E plus P of E dash is equal to 1. That is one of the formula in the probability. Next, second one, the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0, cannot happen at any time. Such an event is called impossible event. Impossible event. Whenever you throw a coin or die, you will get in coin head or a tail. When you throw a die, you will get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. 0, not you will get. So the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Such an event is called impossible event. Next, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is 1. Certain happen is 1. Such an event is called certain event. Certain event. Next, fourth one. The sum of probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. P of E plus P of E dash is equal to 1. Next, fifth one. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. This is the range of probability events. Less than or equal to 0, more than 0, less than 1, equal to 0, equal to 1. This is the range of probability. Next, second section. Which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Explain. Means same chances, same times is called equally likely outcomes. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. When a driver starts its car, how many chances are there to start a car? Maybe it starts or maybe it's not start. Is it a equally likely outcomes? No, it's not a equally likely outcome. Now second one. A player attempts to shoot a basketball. The player, he or she, shoots or misses the shot. Is it misses the shot? Clearly said that. Is it equally likely event? No, it's also not equally likely event. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. No, this is also not equally likely event. Third one, a trial is made to answer a true or false. True also half chance, false also half chance. The answer is right or wrong. So that one also half chance, this one also half chance. So this is equally likely event. Yes. Now next, a baby is born. It is a boy or girl. This one also equally likely event. Yes. Now after this, second one completed, third one completed, fourth one completed. Now next, third problem. If P of E, probability of event 0.05, what is the probability of not E? P of E plus P of not E means P of E dash is equal to 1. This is the formula in the probability. So probability of event P of E is equal to 0.05. Asked question, probability of not E, P of E dash is equal to don't know. So using this formula P of E plus P of E dash is equal to 1. We had the value probability of event. So probability of not E, keep left hand side as a subject. Then send remaining is equal to that side. 1 minus P of E is equal to 1 minus 0.05. The difference of 1 and 0.05 is 0.95. 1.00 0.05 minus 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 0 9, 0 minus 0 0, 0.95 is the answer. Next, fourth one. A bag contains lemon flavor candies only. In one certain bag, there are only lemon candies, chocolates. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out? In that bag only lemon flavored chocolates only contained. Okay, first question. An orange flavored candies. Find the probability. Find the probability a lemon flavor candy. No, answer first one. Probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy is 0 because in that bag there is no orange flavor candies. So probability is 0. Then second one, a lemon flavor candies. Probability that she takes out a lemon flavor candy is 1 because in that bag all are lemon flavor candies. Okay. Now next fifth one. Rahim takes out all the hearts from the cards. What is the probability? In a set of playing cards, 52 cards total. In those 52 cards, divided 4 parts: spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds. Each suit of cards contains 13, 13, 13, 13. Rahim takes out all the hearts from the cards. So, how many hearts of cards there? 13. Number of hearts 13. Remaining cards 52 minus 13, 39. Then possible total outcomes is 39. First question. Picking out an ace from the remaining pack. See, these are the cards. In previous class also I showed you. Red color cards 26. Black color card 26. In red color 2 queens, 2 jacks, 2 kings, 2 ace. In the same way in black color card also. Understood? This is club, this is spades, and this red color is diamond, this one is heart. Got it? No. Picking out an ace from the remaining pack. Total outcomes 39. Number of aces. How many aces in the total set of cards? 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. 1, 2 red color aces, 2 black color aces. Total how many aces? 4 aces. Among them already one heart color ace taken away. So number of aces remaining is 3. Probability of getting an ace is equal to favorable chances are 3. Total outcomes chances 39. 3 by 39. 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 by 13. Next second one. Picking out a diamonds. Number of diamonds how many? 13. Clubs, spades, diamonds, hearts. All are 13, 13, 13. Among them, diamonds are 13. Picking out a diamond. Total 39. In that 39, 13 cards. 13 by 39. 31 is 13. 13 3 are 39. 1 by 13. Picking out a card that is not a heart. Probability of getting not a heart. All heart cards already we taken away. So remaining all are not a heart. So 39 by 39 is equal to 1. Picking out the ace of hearts. Already we taken outside ace of hearts. So there is favorable chances are 0 by 39. Get 0. Got it. Next. Sixth problem. It is given that in a group of 3 students, there is a group of students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday. Among the 3 students, 2 students not having the same birthday is their probability is 0.992. What is the probability that the two students having the same birthday? Simply find the difference of 1 and this number. So probability that the two students not having the same birthday, P not have event, is equal to 0.992. Probability that the two students having the same birthday, let assume that probability of event, both probability of E plus probability of E dash is equal to 1. E bar E dash for our convenience sake. P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E bar. 1 minus 0.992, the difference of these two numbers, P of E is equal to 0.08. Next, seventh one, fourth paper. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting. Whenever you throw a dice, see this is a dice. Whenever you throw a dice, you will get any one of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because in that, see, one more die, what we get? 6, 2, 3, 1, 4, 1 remaining now, 6, 1, 5. So whenever you throw a die, you will get either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Only 6 numbers. So number of all possible outcomes are 6. Prime number. How many prime numbers are there? Among this set of numbers 1 to 6, 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 only 1. 2, 3, 5 are the prime numbers. So prime numbers event E is equal to 2, 3, 5. Let E be the event of getting a prime number. Number of outcomes 3. Total possible outcomes 6. 3 by 6. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. 1 by 2. A number lying between 2 and 6. 2 after, 6 before. 3, 4, 5. So how many possible outcomes? 3, 4, 5. 3 outcomes. Okay. Now P of event is equal number of outcomes favorable to E, number of possible outcomes. Total 3, favorable 3, total 6. Always total parts right in the denominator place. 3 by 6. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. Next, an odd number. How many odd numbers are there from 1 to 6? 1, 3, 5. There are also 3 numbers. Let E be the event getting an odd number. E equal to 1, 3, 5. Here number of favorable outcomes is 3. Total outcomes are 6. 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. This one also completed. Now next, last paper, 8th problem. What is the probability of for drawing out a red king from a deck of cards? Total cards how many? 52. Number of kings 4. In 4 kings, 2 are black color, 2 are red color. Number of red kings are 2. Among them 1 diamond, 1 heart. Let E be the event that the card drawn is a red king. How many favorable outcomes? 2 favorable outcomes. P of E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E, number of all possible outcomes 2 by 52, 1 by 26. Now at last problem. Make 5 problems getting probability using dice and using cards, birthdays. Discuss with your friends and teacher about their solutions. Make yourself what is the probability to getting a even number when you throw a dice. What is the probability when 10 times toss a coin? What is the probability of how many students in your class their birthday on June? Like you make problems your own and solve by your own. You have any doubt, please give me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.